Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and safe at home and enjoying your studies. So, as you all know, my dear students, we are doing grammar revision. So, till previous lecture, we have completed grammar revision till lesson number 4. Today, we will revise lesson number 5 of grammar. The name of the lesson is singular and plural. As you all know, it is a very easy lesson, but as we are doing revision, so we will revise this lesson too. Okay, so before starting our today's revision session, I would like to tell you one quote, that is, education is the best gift one can give or receive. Education is the best gift one can give or receive. Means education is the best gift one can give, means you can teach your younger brother or sister. You can teach them something, they can learn something from you. And receive, same, your elder brother or sister or your parents can teach you. That is the receive. So it is said that education is the best gift one can give or receive. So let's begin our today's session, that is singular and plural. Singular and plural. First we will revise with the definition. Okay. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. What is singular? A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. Here you can see a picture. One person with one ball. Now let's see what is plural. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. Plural means more than one. So in short, what you have to remember? Singular means a single thing, only one thing, and plural means more than one. It can be 2, 3, any number. More than one. So now, as we are doing revision, you all are going to say this definition with me loudly. Okay, let's start. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. Now we will revise definition of plural. Plural. What is plural? A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. What is plural noun? A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. Now let's see definition with examples. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. For example, fly, house, box, dream. Next is plural noun. A plural noun names two or more people, places, things or ideas. Plural nouns have many spelling rules. Plural nouns have many spelling rules. So let's see all the rules. First, we will learn basic rule. We will revise basic rule. So what is the basic rule? Singular subjects need singular verbs. Singular subjects need singular verbs. Briefly, that already we have learned. Then plural subjects need plural verbs. Plural subjects need plural verbs. Now, rule number 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. Add s to make most nouns plural. Means most of the nouns can change with adding of s. Let's see examples. Adding s to make plurals. Adding s to make plurals. Shoe, shoes. Shoe, shoes. Ball, balls. Ball, balls. Car, cars. Car, cars. Clock, clocks. Clock, clocks. Spoon, spoons. Spoon, spoons. Cup, cups. Cup, cups. So here you can see I have written with different color all the s, right? So you can make plural like this by adding s. Now rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, double s and sh. So spellings or words which ends with spellings and words which ends with s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. So at the end of that word, to make a plural, you have to add es. Es. Let's see examples. Fox, foxes. Fox, foxes. Then rule number 3. When a noun ends with a consonant and y. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. When any spelling, any word ends with a consonant and y, then change y into I and then add es. Let's see example. Cherry, cherries. See here, y turns into I. Here at the end of the spelling y and before y there is a consonant sound r. End of the spelling y, before y consonant r. So y turns into I and we will add es. Cherry, cherries. Right? Then adding ies to make plurals. Adding ies to make plurals. So let's see. Bunny, bunnies, ies. Y changes into I. Bunny, bunnies. Pony, ponies. Story, stories. So, when nouns end with y, we add ies to make plurals. When nouns end with y, we add ies to make plurals. If there is a vowel before the y, then s is added. If there is a vowel before the y, then s is added. See the example. Monkey, monkeys. Spelling ends with y, but there is a vowel sound before the y, so it will be added s. Monkey, monkeys. Then rule number 4. Rule number 4. When words end in ay, ey, iy, oy and uy. When words end in ay, ey, iy, oy and uy, Add an s to make the plural. Then see the example. One donkey, two donkeys. One donkey, two donkeys. The spelling ends with Y and before Y there is a vowel sound. A-E-I-O-U. Right? Let's see some more examples. Day, days. Day, days. Key, keys. Key, keys. Play, plays. Play, plays. Boy, boys. Boy, boys. Delay, delays. Delay, delays. Guy, guys. Guy, guys. Now see the rule number 5. When words end in F or FE, change the F or FE to a V before adding ES. When words end in F or FE, change the F or FE to a V before adding ES. Let's see the examples. One knife, two knives. One knife, two knives. Leaf, leaves. Leaf, leaves. Half, house. Half, house. Wife, wives. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Life, lives. Hoof, hooves. Hoof, hooves. Thief, thieves. Thief, thieves. Now, rule number 6. Rule number 6. When a word ends in an O, when a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add ES to make the plural. Add ES to make the plural. One tomato, two tomatoes. One tomato, two tomatoes. Cargo, cargoes. Cargo, cargoes. Mango, mangoes. Mango, mangoes. Echo, echoes. Echo, echoes. Hero, heroes. Hero, heroes. Volcano, volcanoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Torpedo, torpedoes. Torpedo, torpedoes. Flamingo, flamingos. Flamingo, flamingos. Now, plurals. Let's see some examples of plurals. Dear, dear. Why it is like that? Because some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. For example, dear, dear. Woman, woman. Only one letter is changed. See, only one letter is changed. If only one woman is there, W-O-M-A-N woman. If more than one, then W-O-M-E-N woman. Okay. Man, same thing happens. If only one man is there, M-A-N man. If only one man is there, M-A-N man. And if more than one man, M-E-N man. M-E-N man. Then person. If only one is there, then person, more than one people. If one is there, person, more than one people. Some nouns have different plurals. Some nouns have different plurals. For example, child, children, child, children, man, men. Only one letter is changed. Tooth, teeth, tooth, teeth. Foot, fit, foot, fit. Woman, woman. See here, only change of one letter, A to E. Mouse, mice, mouse, mice. Then let's see summary. Add s to make most nouns plural. Add s to make most nouns plural. For example, letters, papers, kids, pots. Letters, papers, kids, pots. Then add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Examples: latches, tosses, boxes, tomatoes, bushes. Rule number 3, summary of it. When a noun ends with a consonant, and y, change y to I and add es. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. For example, baby, babies, baby, babies, lady, ladies, lady, ladies, butterfly, butterflies, butterfly, butterflies. So now let's go through textbook wise. So this is the image of your textbook. Lesson number 5, singular and plural. Lesson number 5, singular and plural. So let's begin. As this is the revision, so I already explained you each and everything briefly. So in textbook, I'll read and explain you both. Okay. Countable nouns can be either singular or plural. For example, dog, dogs, book, books, lamp, lamps. Countable nouns can be either singular or plural. For example, dog, dogs, book, books, lamp, lamps. Now, definition. Singular nouns refer to one person, animal, place, or thing, about which I already explained you briefly. Singular nouns refer to one person, animal, place, or thing. Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Here, rules are given, which I already explained you briefly. This table is given in your textbook. Words ending with plural forms and example of singular and plural. So, most words, plural forms s. Pot, pots. Then words which ending with x, s, double s, o, sh, ch and z. So plural form change with es. Plural form change with es. Box, boxes, bus, buses, class, classes, mosquito, mosquitoes, bush, bushes, church, churches, quiz, quizzes. Then words ending with y. So while making plural form, we have to add ies. Cry, cries. Words ending with f or fe. So we will have to add ves to make a plural form. Life, lives. Life, lives. Leaf, leaves. Some nouns remain the same both in singular and plural forms. For example, sheep, fish, bison. So these kind of words, either you are using in singular or plural, it will remain same. In some cases, the word changes in the plural form. For example, man, man, mouse, mice, ox, oxen. Note, some nouns are only in plural. Some nouns are only in plural. Scissors, trousers, news. Means these words are in plural only. Either we are using in a singular or a plural, it will remain the same in the plural form only. Scissors, trousers, news. Right? So, when we come across compound nouns, we have to change the form of the word carefully while writing the plurals. For example, compound nouns means two words, two nouns together. Armchair, armchairs. We will not say armchairs. We will change only the ending letter. Armchair, armchairs. Stepdaughter, stepdaughters. Maid servant, maid servants. Passerby, passers by. Mother in law, mothers in law. Note, the plural of compound nouns is formed by adding s to the principal word in the compound noun. Principal word means the main word. Which is the main word? After that you have to add. When the compound words does not have obvious principal word, add s or es to the end of the compound word. For example, forget-me-nots, toothbrushes, women doctors. Now let's solve the exercise. Exercise 1. Write the plurals of these nouns. Write the plurals of these nouns which you already have completed. So let's revise. Potato, potatoes. Brush, brushes. Calf, cows. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Butterfly, butterflies. Deer, deer. Baby, babies. Ox, oxen. Fox, foxes. Dragon, dragons. Peach, peaches. Grain, grains. Taxi, taxis. Glass, glasses. Louse, lice. Then here, exercise number 2. Rewrite these sentences after changing the highlighted nouns from singular to plural or vice versa. Make other changes if necessary. So this exercise also we have completed. So now just we will revise. A. The bystanders were shocked to see the accident. So the answer is the bystander was shocked to see the accident. B. The watermelons are very sweet. Answer. The watermelon is very sweet. C. His son always picks up the phone. Answer. His sons always picks up the phone. The students were absolutely quiet. Answer. The student was absolutely quiet. His bookshelf is full of books. Answer. His bookshelves are full of books. Then, the man servant comes every morning. Answer. The maid servant comes every morning. D. Put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Answer. Put 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. H. The place is full of mouse. Answer. The place is full of mice. I. His brother-in-law is a well-known man. Answer. His brothers-in-law are well-known men. J. That book belongs to me. Answer. Those books belong to me. We will repeat this exercise so you can understand it properly. A. The bystanders were shocked to see the accident. The bystanders were shocked to see the accident. So, what is the answer? The answer is the bystander was shocked to see the accident. The bystander was shocked to see the accident. B. The watermelons are very sweet. The watermelons are very sweet. Answer. The watermelon is very sweet. The watermelon is very sweet. C. His son always picks up the phone. His son always picks up the phone. Answer. His son always picks up the phone. His son always picks up the phone. D. The students were absolutely quiet. The students were absolutely quiet. Answer. The student was absolutely quiet. The student was absolutely quiet. E. His bookshelf is full of books. His bookshelf is full of books. Answer. His bookshelves are full of books. His bookshelves are full of books. F. The manservant comes every morning. The manservant comes every morning. Answer. The maidservant comes. The maidservant comes every morning. The maidservant comes every morning. G. Put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Answer. Put 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Put 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. H. The place is full of mouse. The place is full of mouse. Answer. The place is full of mice. The place is full of mice. I. His brother-in-law is a well-known man. His brother-in-law is a well-known man. Answer. His brothers-in-law are well-known men. His brothers-in-law are well-known men. J. That book belongs to me. That book belongs to me. Answer. Those books belong to me. Those books belong to me. So, my dear students, today we will do till here only. If regarding today's session, if you are having any doubt, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number. We will meet in our next session with the new topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.